Hey everyone, I hope you're doing really well as always. I just got finished a great jump rope workout. It was pretty intense. It consisted of a lot of double unders and crisscrosses. So I'll show you some footage of that in just a second. I was gonna go home because I got to meet my girlfriend soon for dinner, but it's such a beautiful day right now. The sun is setting there in the background, and this field is covered with snow. And I'm surrounded by mountains here, and the air is just so fresh. So I just had to take a nice, gentle, cool down walk before heading home.
Hey everyone, so the first thing that I did was I warmed up, and I did this by running in place for 3 minutes. And I did this 3 times. I rested approximately 1 minute between each warm-up set. And as you can see, as I ran in place, I turned my body around 365 degrees. Now I'm not going to show you all the footage from the warm-up sets. I'm just going to include about a minute here just to give you an idea of what I was doing. And the weather was actually so cold on this particular day that the battery on my camera died so quickly, so I had to change location for the working set. I had to bring my camera to my car where I had my charger, and I had to film the rest of the footage from inside my car. I had my camera up against the windshield, as you can see right here. So now I'm standing out on the street. Here I'm doing the first working set, which involved doing 50 double unders. And then immediately after doing those 50 double unders, I did 50 running crisscrosses. Even though the weather was so cold, after I did the warm-up sets, which lasted for a total of 9 minutes, I was pretty warm. Once you get moving, your blood starts pumping. You don't really feel the cold that much. So I took off my jacket, and as you can see, I rolled up my sleeves. It snowed quite heavily over the past few days, and there's still a little bit of snow on the roads, as you can see there. So it was a little bit dicey driving, but I really wanted to get out into the countryside, get out next to the mountains, because it's so peaceful and the air is so fresh. Now for the next working set, for this working set, I completed this approximately 3 times. So I did a total of 300 repetitions. And here the second working set consisted of doing 10 double unders, and then after I did those 10 double unders, I did 10 running crisscrosses. And I repeated that 4 times for a total of 100 repetitions. And then I rested approximately 1 minute, and I did it again. And then after doing it, I rested 1 more minute, and I did it 1 more time. So I did this working set also for a total of 300 repetitions. So in total, between these 2 working sets, I did 300 double unders and 300 running crisscrosses. Transitioning from doing double unders to running crisscrosses, it does take a little practice to get the hang of it, but it's certainly really fun to do.